Hi guys, what is up and happy new year everybody. I'm back with my massive Gundabad army or Azog Legion. I don't think we can turn it to Azog Hunters because I don't have those hunters riding or by foot, so mostly Azog Legion. I mean, I've been working on them on and off, and yeah, I wanted to show you. I received one guy after so long time for my Mordor. This Kardush. It's very nice and detailed miniature. It's a nice little skull around his neck. And it's tough and it's casting a fireball, which is pretty awesome. I don't think it is a recast because it looks really nice, the sculpture. So yeah, sorry about the shaky camera. But yeah, I think this guy is very nice. Found it on eBay. And yeah, now let's go back to our Bundabads. So yeah, I'm making some progress with them. Now let me show you what I should start with. Let me show you this guy that I made. It's a conversion with a spear. Which I have trouble focusing on. I gave him a spear and then that thing from the Gundabad upgrade set. Yeah, looks pretty dope, this guy. And this guy with the sword and the upgrade kit skull, and already finished the base. So yeah, another guy with a spear, and then the shield and the head from the upgrade kit set, and then the base is finished. Yeah, these bases are the forgotten dungeon bases for Matt Davies from for Generation Shift bases. You can find it on Facebook if you need. Contact him, private message him, and then you get this very nice bases. A guy with a sword and shield. Also upgraded thing on his back, and then the base is finished. I'm just priming them and then finishing the bases and then putting them on the bases. Also the white warg base is finished. I mean finished by yeah, the base is finished, but I added the Yasneg that is broken in pieces. This is the main body of Yasneg. I added also his hand and spear. I use his warg, the Yasneg warg head for this, the white warg, and then the chieftain, wild warg chieftain body for the body. And then yeah, with the leg of the Yasneg, I used them for repairing Gothmog, two legs that were missing from one metal. This is the bad boy bulk coming down from the some steps to fight Legolas maybe. These guys I already showed you. The berserkers with the base finished. Base is finished. This guy the Legolas takes out. Didn't even have a chance to hit anybody down. And this guy charging. No wanted to focus. The baddest of the all, Captain. Exactly like in the movie. Still didn't do highlights on them. Too lazy after Christmas, New Year's parties. So yeah, the azog with a foot version. She doesn't want to focus. Yeah, you all know him anyway. I have the Goblin Captain Mercenaries. And then the guys, just prime the Goblin Mercenaries. I have some shields and spears from the Gundabads. I think I have too many of those. And then what else? I'm having an azog mounted. Two azog mounted, I mean, and two bogs. Yeah, if anybody is in need of a bog on azog, I have two. I can't find the base for this one. For this bog. I have to look for the base somewhere, somehow. Can't remember where I put it. I have one for this one, but yeah, I need one for my guy. And I'm thinking of like the base to do a river in the middle. And yeah, having this, I'm having this rare thing. Yeah, Zog with armor, which is pretty awesome. That doesn't want to focus. Don't understand why. Yes, my camera is becoming worse and worse. Yeah. Still trying to glue the thingy. And then his back armor. Pretty dope. And yeah, you saw some guys that I painted already, finished painted. You can see them on my oldest videos. The banner man. These armors, they tend to look like a golden armor on camera, but in reality they mostly look like a dirty metal look, you know. So I'm pretty pleased with this banner. Pretty awesome. The image is exactly from the movie. You can see one banner when the dwarfs are riding to the mountain with their chariot. You can see exactly this banner, so you can check the movie for it. Already posted a picture, I think, in my other videos. And then the 6 spearmen with no shields that I finished. Let me just show you one of them. Show you this one that is imposing. Very pleased on how these guys look. Went overboard with the highlights and everything to make it really show on the table, on the cabinet, also the straps and everything. I also did a guide of the colors. If you want to check my other videos that can show these guys more. Can have the I have the Stompy in the back, already primed and ready to go. I have the ogres, 2 ogres. I have the scythe and the I call that the bat. The 2 bats also. So have one captain, original captain or screw with no modification on him. It's like this one that I have. And I have a plenty of swords here. Also some shield and spear guys. Already a base for the troll, which I still need to highlight that thing. Yeah, this is my Gundabad army so far. I have a box full of pieces. And then yeah, hope you guys enjoy my video. Is reaching to 10 minutes, so just want to say you guys all happy new year, and then happy painting. And yeah, I'm see you guys on my next update. Bye bye guys.